Hi and welcome to a new unboxing video. I'm Fettouhi and it's my great pleasure to unbox today Deus Ex, or Deus Ex, whatever you pronounce it. And I just got this. I know it's been out actually since yesterday in Europe and since Tuesday in the US. I can only say this, that the post office fucked me over again. So what happened is that they tried to deliver it yesterday and I wasn't there, but that really doesn't matter. And normally when you're not there, they take and label the package and put a letter in it. Well, it looks like the guy over here in this district where I live is lazy as hell, so he sends it per mail. So that means that I've been home all day and this package has been lying at the post office. So I got the mail or the letter an hour or two ago, because over here we get it really late for some strange reason. So I didn't know. I should check my mail slot 2 times and found it the last time here an hour ago. So yeah. Anyways, this here of course is for the PS3. This game here is made by Eidos, or it's Square Enix that's made it, and it's Eidos Montreal that's pushing it out. Or maybe it's the other way around, I can't remember. The guys behind this here is, or have been pushing this game a lot, and it's been getting great reviews so far, 8.8 on Metacritic. And I think last time I checked, which was a couple of days ago, user score was around 9.9 from 13 users, also on Metacritic. So let's get to it. So this here is embedded in plastic, always. So let's get that away, or filter, whatever you will call it. So with this here collection, you get a fan, the game, collectible figure, fan art, and some digital download, and exclusive DVD downloads, and of course the soundtrack. So as you can see here, all this here is the I think it's a 10-inch statue action figure. The DVD, I think it's all downloadable content, and the booklet, as you can see here. And of course the special case. Oh, let's see how this works. It looks like there's only been printed 20,000. This here is number 7,518. So that's really nice. But how do I actually open it? There's some glue here. And I'm hoping that it's the right way to do it. Looks like, because it's actually a box. So just a second, I got this open. So as you can see here, you had to flip it around and then take it off. I didn't loosen the bottom because I want to keep it intact. And again, it's not a figure, it's an action figure actually. So as you can see, he's been really crammed in. Jesus Christ. Talking about breaking stuff almost. Well, as you can see, he's an action figure. Movable limbs, hands, all the shenanigans. So, and it looks like he has some add-ons too. Like the belt is removable, I think. And his chest, no, not some of his chest items also. It's pretty sturdy, I would say. The limbs are his feet, knee, hip, and his torso can move a little bit. His arms are rotatable, and his limbs here, and also a little bit movable here, and his head. So he's pretty adjustable. And with the figure comes, it looks like you can detach the arm and put this here arm into it, which is the arm with the blade. Yeah. And the gun from the looks. Yeah. So you can detach that if you want to change that up. Anyways, let's look at the game. The game is in a non-standard copper. It's not plastic or anything, or it's inside. It's probably paper. Again, it's embedded with plastic to protect it, so we're gonna just easily with the knife. So, and it's a fold-out cover, and the discs are loose because the people at the lovely post office have been throwing this around. And here's the code for the download. I'm going to take that away because you're not going to get that these codes, but codes for download content, the game, the manual, and the bonus DVD with the making of. And I'm pretty sure you should not watch the making of before you finish the game. And content, we have here the exclusive mission pack, tactical enhancements pack, and this here is probably something about Square Enix minute production card registration with a code there. So, and I'm betting you only get the soundtrack if you have this key here. So there's something like that. The soundtrack should be here. The booklet, or the art design booklet. As you can see, it's fully colored, high quality. And here are the rest of, as you can see, yeah, here's how it works. So it looks like some more gadgets, extra hand, his limb, that's probably his underarm or whatever you would call it, and a gun. It looks like it's been damaged in the packaging process. Let me show you. Let's take some of the loose things out just so you can see this. But I don't know if you can see this, but down here the inside has been damaged, probably to violence of packaging it. whatnot. Here's the gun. So yeah. And as you can see, here the damage. And the nice glass image. I'm actually guessing that the meaning is that you use this here and you put him inside here, like so. There you have your stand. So you actually mimic the, what's it called, the official box art, because this here, the special one, there's actually a video out there with the making of the box art, which was sent to an external company making the design for it. So yeah, and he's pretty easy to get to stand. The legs and the balance of the whole doll, or whatever you would call it, is pretty easy. So it's not like you have to, well, you can see I did it with one try, which is incredible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, I'm recommending that you that you pick this up here, or at least pick up the game. The game is awesome. So thanks for watching. Until next time.